Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter BIOS menu on this laptop. So to do that, power your device on by pressing the power button until the light indicator below the power icon lights up. Then start pressing F2 button until your laptop boots up into the BIOS menu. To navigate between tabs, use right and left arrow keys. To navigate between options in each menu, use down and up arrow keys. To select value, press enter. To go back, press escape. And if you want to exit, you can either hit exit menu and select the option that you like the most, or you can press escape to exit discarding changes, or F10 to save and exit. Once you exit, your laptop will boot up into the normal mode, into the Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.